What is Bootable USB Windows 10? A bootable USB drive for Windows 10 is a USB storage device that has been prepared in such a way that it can be used to start, boot, a computer and install or run Windows 10 operating system. This is particularly useful when you need to install Windows 10 on a new computer or replace the existing operating system on an old one. A USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage capacity, a Windows 10 installation ISO file, and a program to generate the bootable USB drive is required to make a bootable USB drive for Windows 10. There are several free tools available online, such as Rufus and the Windows USB DVD download tool, that can help you create a bootable USB drive. Once you've built a bootable USB stick for Windows 10, you can use it to power up your computer and begin the Windows 10 installation process. You may then install or upgrade to Windows 10 by following the on-screen directions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and activate bell icon for more updates.